It's end of day video time. So today we obviously put the car up on the lift, make it a little easier to work on. Put the grill in, put the turn signals on, and to get the grill in, we had to take the overriders off. Not a big deal. And let's see, put the hood latch on so it's easier to hold the hood open. And I also put the B-pillar trim pieces on. And now tomorrow, or soon, he'll put the weather stripping trim on, and then we can adjust the doors, the catches, and the gaps. So, a couple trips to the parts hardware store for parts, screws, nuts, bolts, whatever. So, that's pretty much what we got done today. So there's a good angle here. Car's moved. Oh well. Later.